Hello everyone! Welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Google Docs. So let's dive into it. Open Google Docs in your web browser. From the list of Google documents, locate the document you want to delete. Right-click on the document or click on the three dots next to the document's name. By doing this, a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, select the Remove option. A confirmation dialog box will appear. Click on the Move to Bin option to confirm the deletion of that document. Alternatively, you can also click on the document to open it, then click on File in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu, select the Move to Bin. Confirm by clicking on Go to Docs home screen in the dialog box. And that's how you can delete Google Docs. It's a simple process, but always make sure you're deleting the right document to avoid losing any important information. There you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.